What if I told you that each of these engines could change the way you think about cars? From fuel efficiency to incredible power, today we're comparing the 1.8 TSI, 2-liter TSI, 3.6 V6, and 2-liter TDI. Whether you're looking for the perfect balance between performance and economy, or just want to know which engine is truly worth your money, this video is for you. Stay tuned, and you'll find out which one could be your perfect match. Volkswagen Passat CC 1.8 TSI. Power output, available in variants producing 120, 160, and 170 horsepower. Performance. The 1.8 TSI is designed for comfort and efficiency, making it ideal for city driving. While it offers a smooth and quiet ride, it's not designed for high performance or spirited driving. Fuel economy. One of the most fuel-efficient engines in the Passat CC lineup, especially in urban settings. Maintenance considerations. Turbocharger. Turbochargers on older models may need attention, and replacing one can cost between $400 and $700. Timing chain. The timing chain can wear out prematurely, so it's essential to monitor and replace it when necessary, typically costing $350 to $700. Resale value. The lower power variants, while affordable to maintain, may not hold their value as well in the used car market. CC 2-liter TSI. Power output, available in 180, 211, and 225 horsepower variants. Performance. A well-balanced engine, offering a good mix of power and efficiency, making it a popular choice for daily driving. The 211 and 225 horsepower variants provide more excitement, making it suitable for those who want more performance while maintaining good fuel efficiency. Fuel economy. Fuel consumption is reasonable for this engine, though the higher-powered versions will use more fuel. Maintenance considerations. Turbocharger. Like the 1.8 TSI, the turbocharged engine can suffer from wear, which can result in costly repairs, $400 to $700. Carbon buildup. Carbon deposits can accumulate in the intake valves, especially in higher-powered versions. Cleaning the valves costs $100 to $200. Cooling system. Overheating is more common in higher-powered versions, so it's essential to check the cooling system. Repairs could cost between $150 and $300. Resale value. The higher-powered variants tend to hold their value better in the used car market due to the demand for more powerful engines. 3.6 V6. Power output, 272 horsepower or 333 horsepower in the S4 variant. Performance. This engine offers a higher level of refinement and performance, making it ideal for long-distance cruising and performance enthusiasts. It provides smooth acceleration and plenty of torque for highway driving, but it may feel more sluggish in city traffic compared to smaller engines. Fuel economy. Fuel consumption is higher compared to the 2-liter TSI engines due to the larger V6 engine, though it is still reasonable for the power output. Maintenance considerations. Oil consumption. Some owners report excessive oil consumption, which can lead to costly repairs such as piston ring replacements, or even engine rebuilds, with costs ranging from $500 to $1,000. Timing chain. Like other V6 engines, the timing chain can wear out with high mileage, which can be a costly repair, $500 to $1,000. Resale value. While the 3.6 V6 is desirable for its power, its maintenance costs may deter some buyers, affecting resale value. 2-liter TDI. Power output, around 150 horsepower. Performance. The 2-liter TDI is geared towards long-distance driving, providing excellent fuel efficiency on highways, though it lacks the performance of the TSI variants. The torque from the diesel engine makes it suitable for relaxed cruising and can handle a heavy load, but it's not as quick or responsive as the petrol engines. Fuel economy. Diesel engines like the 2-liter TDI are ideal for those who frequently drive long distances, offering exceptional fuel economy, particularly on highways. Maintenance considerations. Diesel particulate filter, DPF. The DPF can become clogged, especially if the car is used for short trips. This issue can be expensive to fix, with replacement costs ranging from $1,000 to $2,500. Turbocharger. Diesel turbos tend to wear out quicker than their petrol counterparts, so regular monitoring is essential. Turbo replacement costs around $400 to $700. Resale value. Diesel engines tend to have lower resale value compared to petrol engines, partly due to higher emissions and potential environmental concerns. Summary. Best for city driving, 1.8 TSI, for fuel economy and lower maintenance. Best for balance, 2-liter TSI, good mix of performance and efficiency. Best for power and luxury, 3.6 V6, for a refined driving experience. Best for long-distance driving, 2-liter TDI, for fuel economy on highways. If you have any more specific questions about these engines or other options, feel free to ask.